Welcome back! You've done an incredible job learning how to grow and manage your YouTube channel. But there's one more skill that every successful creator must master: adaptability. YouTube is always changing. New features are added. The algorithm gets updated. And audience preferences shift all the time. In this lesson, we'll discuss how to stay informed about updates, how to adjust your strategies when algorithms change, and how to make the most of YouTube's new tools and features. Let's dive in. Step 1 is staying informed about YouTube updates. The first step to adapting is staying informed. YouTube constantly rolls out updates, from monetization rules to new analytics insights. If you don't keep up, you might miss opportunities or fall behind. So, how do you stay updated? Start by following the YouTube Creator Insider channel. It's an official source that explains upcoming changes in plain language. Also, check the YouTube Help Center and the Creator blog regularly. These places announce important updates before they go live. Join creator communities on platforms like Reddit, Discord, or Facebook. Other creators often share what's new and how it's affecting their performance. Make it a routine. Spend a few minutes each week checking for updates. That simple habit keeps your content strategy fresh and relevant. Step 2 is adjusting strategies in response to algorithm changes. Now let's talk about the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm decides which videos get recommended. And yes, it changes often. Sometimes it focuses more on watch time. Other times, it rewards viewer satisfaction or engagement. When that happens, your views or reach might go up or down suddenly. Don't panic. Instead, analyze what's happening. Look at your YouTube analytics. Are people watching shorter videos now? Are they clicking less on your thumbnails? Those small signals tell you what the algorithm is currently favoring. If your reach drops, try experimenting. Test different video lengths, titles, and topics. Focus on improving retention and engagement. Those metrics always matter, no matter how the algorithm shifts. Adaptation is about testing, learning, and improving, not guessing. The more flexible you are, the better your channel performs over time. Step 3 is leveraging new features and tools. Every year, YouTube introduces new features designed to help creators. Some examples include shorts, community posts, live streaming, and podcast tools. These updates are opportunities. The earlier you start using them, the more visibility you can get. For example, when YouTube first launched Shorts, creators who jumped in early gained massive reach. So whenever a new feature appears, don't wait too long to try it. Even if it doesn't fit your usual style, testing new tools keeps your content fresh. Also, explore YouTube's built-in tools, like analytics, monetization insights, and research tabs. They can help you understand trends and audience interests better than ever. Remember, YouTube rewards creators who use its latest features. So, stay open to change and take advantage of every update. To conclude, change is the only constant on YouTube. The platform evolves, and successful creators evolve with it. When you stay informed, analyze data after each update, and make use of new features, you position yourself ahead of others. Every update is an opportunity to grow, improve, and reach new audiences. In the next lesson, we will talk about YouTube automation. Stay connected with us, thank you.